Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida, the geometry series. We have this Olympiad math question where we have to find the area of this blue triangle. Let's get started. Looking at this figure first, let's just label it properly. Let's label all the sides. I'll call this A, B, C, D. This point called F. And this point where the line CF forms a tangent on the semicircle, I'll call that point E. Now I want to bring to remembrance a rule, okay, which is called the two tangent theorem rule. All right, let me just draw two tangents theorem. Let me just draw that to illustrate it to you. We have here a circle and two tangents. Any line touching a circle and going past us is called a tangent that originates from one point touching the circle at a certain point, 2 points. These two lines will be equal in length. All right, remember that rule, the two tangent theorem rule. Now look at this figure. I can see a semicircle here. You can see this semicircle, and you can see these two lines, the line CD and the line CE. And have you noticed this is a square of all four sides equal to 8, 8, 8, and 8. Using the two tangent, look at this two tangent on the circle. If this is 8, then the side CE from C to E has to be equal to 8. So one step at a time. Let's continue. Now using the same rule, look at this part of the semicircle. The lines AF and FE also form the two tangent, follow the two tangent rule. So let's call the side FE X. This distance is X. Then this distance will also be X. All right. Now looking at this, let's make a few distances quite clear in this picture. So the distance from C to F is 8 plus X. You have your 8 here and you have your X here. And the distance from F to B is 8 minus X, because this whole length from A to B is 8, but this is X, so it's 8 minus X. Have these distances, we know that this is a right angle triangle. We can now find X. So the hypotenuse is 8 plus X squared is equal to 8 minus X squared plus 8 squared. This is the key part of solving this problem. All right, so let's find it. 8 plus X squared is equal to the same as X plus 8. So that'll be X squared plus 16X plus 64 will be equal to 64 minus 16X plus X squared plus 8 squared is 64. Okay, let's see what's common on both sides. We have a 64 and 64. We have a X squared and X squared. So we have 16X plus 16X is 32X is equal to 64 divided by 32. On both sides, we get X is equal to 2. Now, putting in X equal to 2 on wherever it's required, X is equal to 2. What will this side be equal to? 8 plus X will be equal to, this side will be equal to 10. And this side will be equal to 8 minus X. 8 minus 2 is 6. And this side is 8. And we know the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. In this case, our base is 6 and our height is 8. So the area of this triangle will be half into 6 into 8, which works out to 6 fours are 24. So the area of the blue region is 24 units squared. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.